Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, today we have something very new and very exciting. This literally arrived in the mail an hour ago. This is new from Kizer. This was their most recent Kickstarter campaign. I backed it right away because I know Kizer makes some great stuff and I love the look of it. So let's unbox this. What we have is this is the Kizer Buddy. It's a 3-inch fixed blade. So let's get it out of the box and ship it in a double box. Kind of nice presentation. High quality box on the inside. Let's get that out of the way. And let's open her up. So first thing we see is one of our Kizer Bear Buddy stickers. Action for exploration. Gotta love it. And here's the knife. Look at this thing. This is, they give you a little protector there, a little oil on the blade. Let's wipe that off right away. So this is a 3-inch AEB-L blade. So if you're not aware of the ABEL blade, this is a blade steel that fixed blade knife makers have used for a long time. It's a tough blade steel. It's a great working steel. A lot of people prefer it over D2, especially in the fixed blade realm. This has these beautiful green micarta scales. Look at that. Comes equipped with a black lanyard. Has some really aggressive jimping on top. I love that jimping right away. It's a drop point blade. Let's see how it feels in the hand. Ooh, that's excellent. It is a 3-finger knife. I wear extra large gloves, so it fits 3 fingers. But with that lanyard right there, it really feels like a 4-finger knife. Right off the bat, look at that. They've gone now with the Kizer on here. They've gotten rid of the logo on the new Kizers, which I'm not sure why. I love the Kizer logo. But this was designed by Markham Afantasiev. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing this right. Markham Afantasiev. That's his maker's mark right there. The ME. Man, I really love the shape of this. So let's see what else is in the box. Let's put that down for a second and see what's under here. So, let's get that out. So underneath, they give you a Kizer cleaning cloth. Can never have enough Kizer cleaning cloths. They give you your sheath. It's a pancake sheath, not a taco style, with a Tech Lock copy, I'm sure, not an original Tech Lock, but that would work really well. That clicks in really nicely. No rattle whatsoever. Look at that. Pops right out. Again, that's a great sound going in there. It's a Kydex sheath. Again, it's a pancake style. I would have preferred a taco sheath. Taco sheath just makes it a little bit better for pocket carrying. But because this is small, it'll still work in the pocket. I'll most likely change this out for an ulti clip. It looks like it's set up already with the proper size, spacing on the holes and the proper screw size for an ulti clip. What's nice is this can be turned sideways, so if you do want to belt carry and scout carry, you can. It's really nice. And on the bottom, they've got your care instructions, basically, and how to contact them for service and your silica gel pad. I'll put that back in here and get this out of the way. Maybe. Okay. That's enough of that. So what are my initial impressions? One, I like it. I love the green mark cut. The micarta. I love the green mark micarta. Just absolutely fantastic. And feels really good. It's a little thin in the handle profile. If that was slightly wider, I think it would be a little bit better, but that's just a minor nitpick. Love the blade shape. If you look at the blade, There's no blemishes on the blade, so they did a great grind on that. Really nice sharpening. And I guess we're gonna have to carry it and put it to the test. But my initial impressions, I really like this. I like everything about it. Like I said, I would have preferred a taco style sheath and maybe just slightly fatter on the scales, but I think it's really good. It feels great in the hand. And this is going to make a great EDC, just wonderful EDC, whatchamacallit, fixed blade. I'm absolutely loving it. My just really happy that I backed this early. I was one of the early backers, which I think these literally just shipped out a couple of days ago, and I got this very quickly, so I was very happy about that. In fact, I didn't even get a notification that it shipped. It just kind of showed up today. And that was a great surprise. So, all right, Kizer, really good job on this. And I look forward to carrying it. All right, folks, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.